Today, I'm going to tell you about something that can truly change your life. The topic is how to achieve your goals through the power of thought. I won't be talking about magic or unrealistic ideas, but rather about proven principles that you can start using right now to get closer to your dreams. Did you know that every great change begins from within? Everything we see and experience is a reflection of our inner thoughts, attitudes, and beliefs. If you've ever wondered whether it's possible to create the life you desire simply through the way you think, today you'll discover that it's absolutely real. I will show you how to take control of your inner world so that your outer world becomes exactly as you've always dreamed. What better external reflection of positive energy than a yellow manicure? Yellow is the color of the sun, warmth, and joy. This color fills you with positive energy and reminds you of the light in your life. Imagine fresh, glowing yellow nails. They won't just lift your mood, but will also give you extra confidence to achieve your goals. I will tell you how your thoughts shape your reality, why it is so important to focus on the right things, and how you can start transforming your mindset right now. At the end of this conversation, I will share with you specific and easy-to-follow tips that will help you apply what you've learned. I promise it will be worth staying until the end. If you love gentle and romantic designs, you can choose a yellow manicure with floral motifs. Yellow flowers on your nails symbolize spring, new beginnings, and inner growth. Try a design with small sunflowers or elegant daisies. They will bring tenderness and positive vibes to your look. Every day, our thoughts shape not only our emotions but also our actions, and actions create our reality. It's so simple and so powerful that we often underestimate it. Imagine your mind as a garden. If you constantly plant negative thoughts, such as worries and doubts, this garden will become filled with weeds. But if you focus on the positive, if you plant the seeds of your goals, your garden will flourish. This also applies to the way we present ourselves to the world. If you want to radiate sunny energy and joy, you can try a gradient yellow manicure that transitions from pastel yellow to a rich lemon shade. This effect creates a sense of movement, dynamics, and energy, just as your thoughts should be focused on growth and development. Once you know what you want, the next step is visualization. This is not just a game of imagination, it's a way to program your mind. And you know what? Visualization works not only for your dreams, but also for your style. Imagine a yellow manicure with an ombre effect, golden particles, or abstract art elements. Each design carries its own message. If you want to attract positive energy, why not use your nails as a kind of amulet? Of course, nothing happens without action. The power of thought must be supported by concrete steps. And this also applies to self-care. To make your yellow nails look perfect, it's important to use high-quality base and top coats to avoid yellowing or uneven application. Well-shaped and maintained nails are a reflection of self-care, just as our thoughts should be directed towards positive change. The conclusion is simple but powerful: you are the creator of your own reality. When you combine the power of thought with a clear vision, a positive attitude, concrete actions, and persistence, there are no limits to what you can achieve. And if you want to take one more step towards positive change, let it start with something beautiful and inspiring, a yellow manicure that will remind you every day that you carry within you light, energy, and endless possibilities. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let me know in the comments which yellow manicure design you would choose. And if you want to take one more step towards positive change, let it start with something beautiful and inspiring, a yellow manicure that will remind you every day that you carry within you light, energy, and endless possibilities.